how do I get image? That one can be difficult, can be complex, but I make it simple for us. So I'll quickly go to market. Let me go to Google. So I will just type something. So images that look like what you are looking for. If it's something sports, if it's something material, something school, I don't know. But I'll just type website images. That's what I'm going to type. So I have some website images here. So I'll click on image. I have display here. I'll just come here, I click image. So I will have only image being displayed for me here. So if I scroll down, I'll only be having images, only images, no problem. So from here now, I can just pick one or two images that I want, that I think I want to use, that look like what I want. Okay, I'm scrolling. I will just see anyone that you like. So anyone that you pick, then you use. Okay, let me give us an example. Let me just say, okay, I saw one that I like. Let me scroll back to it. Then I'll just show you how to pick it. So I have one image. Let me say, okay, this one, no, it looks like a website itself. I don't want to use it. So let's say you like this one. Look at this, a video. If it's a video image, let me leave that. Let me scroll down again. So like I said, you can just have any form of image. So like I may like this one now. So what you need to do is to right click on it. So you come to save as. You see now, save as in save image as. There are other save and there are copy. Don't copy. So what I did is I said save image as. So when I click on this, it will ask me where I want to save it to. So I just need to save it somewhere. I have a folder somewhere, student assignments. Okay, I can drop it here. Then you just give it a name, any name you want to give it. Just save it. I just did the save. So when I go, let me now go to that folder that I just dropped something now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I don't want to close this window. So I'm going to bring up another window from my system. I don't want to close that window. Let me come. This is student now. I'm going to bring us to window. So this is another window that I'm bringing. Don't mind me. I'm using multiple screen. So this is the image I just saved now. So I want to put it somewhere that I have all the files. This is where I have all my file. So I just drop it here. So that's where I have all the file. Okay. So, but I want it to be inside. You see, I have text 1, 2, 3, 4. I have them listed here. So I want to drop it inside a folder. Create a folder called image. So the reason I have to create a folder called image is that so I can have all my image listed somewhere. You can see it now. So you pack all your image somewhere. They have to be somewhere. Don't just put everything where you put your file. Your work will not be neat. So now that I've done that, so let me go there. So this I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now some things are very important at this stage that you need to note. I'm telling you how to notice. So I have this image now. So what you are going to do at this point is that come to this one. Like I want to use this. Maybe I want to use somewhere. Come to this. Right click on it. Go to open with. Open with. So what you need to do, like I said, I just right click on the image I want to use now. Pick open with. Now I will open this with. I want to open it with a Mozilla or any of your browser. I want to open it with this. So it's going to open like this for me on my browser. Now the reason I want to open it like this is that you see this extension .jpeg. Some can be .jpeg, some can be .png, whatever. It's very important. So I will copy everything like this. I will copy it. That is the file location of that my image. I will copy it. So after I've copied it, then I will go back to my website that I'm doing. Now at this point, let me open this 6 for us. Let me open this 6 for us. Let me open this 6 with this. So I have something there actually. So let me close this. So all of them, they are on that address. So I just need to be changing the name. Let me minimize this. Minimize. Okay, I need to. Okay, bring this one up very well. So let me go back to my image. So what I need to do is to just copy and paste that image somewhere. But in copying it somewhere, let me show us from this one. I'm back. This is okay. Where is that? Okay, okay, sorry. So let me show us from this one. I'm looking for, see any of those image. These are images. So what I just need to do is to copy and paste that the link I have like this here. But this link will not work like this. It will not work. Hear me, oh, don't mix things up. It will not work like this, because this div, this is a div that was closed here, that a bracket, and this div will think you want to put this as a name. It will not work. What will make it to work is that you have to go back to that our our W3 root. I opened one for us yesterday that has to do with images. So I want to go back to that one that has to do with images. The one that I opened for us, like this one, that they display image. Alright, the one they open up the image like this, you need to see how they are able to place that image before the image will work. So let me show us from here. You see the way they write that thing that before they put the image. If you did not put it like this, the image will not work. They are able to see the image link and everything. So that is how image works. So I have to put the I hope you can see my cursor. ING SRC is equal to, before they now put the address of that image. If you do not put it like that, the image system will not know that you are trying to tell them that this is an image. Okay, so let me say I copy that, and I go to, let me now go to our text 6 now. I've done something like that in text 6. I hope you will not mix it together now. Okay, so let's go to text 6. Okay, so from my text 6 now, you can see what I have here. Sorry, I'm having 2 arrows each time. That's the issue I have. Okay, let me use this. So you can see at this point, you see what I have to put. I have to put that thing that I copy. So if you did not put it, it will not work. So I put it inside the open and close div. So I drop the ing irc, and now put the name of the file this. If I didn't put that image, that img mean image, and I said the reference address of the image is this, that is how system will now know, okay, you are calling image from a particular address, you want to put it here. So that is how I replace all the images of those things. So let me show you other ones. So you can see every other ones, this one as well. I'm able to replace, I've put the image. So I just named the image 1, this one is image 2, this one is image 3. From that, my image, all of them are in the same address. So see user, this and that, they are in the same address, just the image name that is different. That is why you put your image together. By the time you're able to get the address of one, just be coming to change the name of every other one. Just be changing this of every other one. That's how you get your image locate for every other one. So let me see if I have another one again. So like all these one now, I'm yet to change them, and I'm still going to change them. So I can't just dump it here. I have to put the image link, so I said we'll know it. So let me save this. Let me save it. I just save now, so that I can go to my browser. And I said, okay, browser, can you bring up test 6 for me? Let's see what we have in test 6. I can just easily change the name here. I can change the number from 2 to 6. Your browser will know it, because all of them are in the same folder, and that is the name. So I click enter. So lo and behold, when I scroll down, see how beautiful my website is. See how lovely it looks. Because I just search for name online, search for image online. So if you want to get your own type of image, go and get the image related to whatever you want to put, and you just be able to put it there, and to be very fine. Now I need to tell us this: by the time you put it for the first time, it may not be very beautiful like this. There's something that I copy alongside with what I copy when I was copying that from the W root. You see this thing that said style is equal to width 100%. This thing is what make that image to center very well. For this it was able to work, but for some complex websites, they would have used CSS to set it for you very well. And some you have to take the image to, maybe you have to design image to, maybe you have to take it to Canva, you do it to this size. You see somehow their size height 60 pixel. You see this height now 60 pixel. So this one say height 200 pixel. So you have take your image, maybe take it to Canva or take it to any of these image, maybe Photoshop or image maker or any of these literally two things they use to do image. Use it to resize it to the image that you actually want. So maybe you're able to resize it, you are fine. Then you drop it. So and it makes your work very, very comfortable. So I did that to my own, and I'm able to have the image that I have. Lovely. So I have this.